Hello guys, hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna making a Japanese curry. So I'll be using a Japanese curry mix, and this is only good for a busy mom like me because I don't make curry from scratch. So and this is so convenient for all the busy people out there. And by the way, I'm just gonna thank everyone for, we are close to 100 subscribers now, and thank you. And so let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the ingredients are, I'll be using beef meat. This is 1 kilo of beef meat because I love using a big amount of meat. It's a gravy. This type of beef is gravy meat, and you could use also other meat like lamb, chicken, or so this is 1 kilogram or 500 gram. That's perfect for this curry mix. It says here is 2 pounds. Yeah, 2 pounds, right? Yeah. So over 500. And this is 3 medium of potatoes, carrots, 3 medium of carrots, onions, garlic, and this is the pork cube for extra flavor. And we're gonna use also the 2 liters of water. So I'm gonna put the meat now, because why I start the meat, because I wanted to use without oil in salad master cookware. So I'll pour the meat now. So I might boil this for 40 minutes just to be tender the meat. So I'll pour out the water. So I already put the 1 liter of water, and I'll make it, I will boil it for 40 minutes. So I set the time already here just to tender the meat. Look at my pot, guys. It's, as you can see, it's bending because Tim, my husband, dropped the pot accidentally. Look at this.
The legs broke off.
Anyway, I drained the water already because it's so I boiled this meat for 40 minutes, and then I drain the water, and I'll put all the onions, garlic. I'll put them all together now. All the vegetables. So I pour out the water. Around 2 liters. So I put around 2 liters. Okay, I'll put the pork cube first before I will put the Japanese curry mix. So all mixed. And then we have to cook the vegetables for 15 or 20 minutes. So guys, this is how it looks like when it's boiling. But it's not yet totally done. Just waiting for the sauce to thicken.
Smells good.
So it's finished, guys. Can't wait to try this.
So this is hubby's determination of
Tell me the
Barbie's,
result.
Japanese cooking. So this is sample take one. Oh, it's steaming hot at the moment. I just had to reheat it a lot. But here we go. It's really good, fantastic.
Yay!